Greetings to all of my subscribers. Greetings to each and everyone who subscribed to the Goalie Side TV, I'm back again to give you a reasoning on Tommy Lee's claiming that he have more fans than Alkaline. People, run come subscribe to my channel. Support the channel. Support the MVP movement. You see me? Big up to all of my big brothers, them, the people that inspire me to do this channel. You see me? Big up Dancehall Truth. Big up on yourself, brother. And big up Tello TV, my brother. Big up on yourself, same way. You see me? Big up Hardball TV. Real people them on YouTube. So, you go and subscribe to them channel. You see me? So, I come tell you this. Me just watch On Stage TV interview and me just see Tommy Lee, what Tommy Lee claims say he have more fans than Alkaline. People, I want to ask you, really? Tommy Lee, really? At that you come with? At that you come with for claim say you have more fans? My youth, people don't know who is Tommy Lee. If you say Tommy Lee, them think that Tommy Lee from a US, them attack about. Them don't know who is Tommy Lee from Jamaica. I swear to you, my people. Tommy Lee, there nowhere in the world. Rich nowhere. A Gaza fan them, you are claim say you are your fan them. How can you claim say a Gaza fan them are your fans, my youth? Tommy Lee, you don't have no fans in a dancehall. All the fans where you say are your fans, a Gaza them say. Alkaline come and take away the Gaza fan them and take away Tommy Lee fan them and take away Popcorn fan them, you see me? So them vex, so them gang up and a group of it, I bring down the young lad. You see me? People, don't be surprised that you see enough artists are come out right now in this summertime. Enough artists are come out and I try to look at hype of Mavado, Alkaline and Jamil because they are the artists. They are the three top dog in a dancehall right now. When you say dancehall, you have to say Mavado, you have to say Alkaline, you have to say Jamil. The three baddest artists from Jamaica right now are them three youth here. You see me? And one of the youths them arise from Cassava Piece, fully bad. The youth, they're bad in a real life. Fully bad. Look out for fully bad. Flex and Chase Cross, just find the formula. You see me? Then find the formula and them bring it to you people. So I want to say all of the Goalie Side fans, all of the Vendetta fans, please never stop support the artists them. In any way you can support the artists them, support them. If by a streaming, stream them. If you can't buy the music, buy the music. But Tommy Lee me attack about today. Tommy Lee, let's get back to you. My youth, you can't come on TV and lie. Because the lying's not going to help you reach nowhere. You see me? You see that TV where I got views them I look and them not give a fuck about what you think. You can come and say anything you like. But you can't come on TV and say you have more fans than Alkaline. When Alkaline I beat you in every category of music. Alkaline I beat and teach. In a Batman music, Alkaline take over that from you. In a girl song music, Alkaline take that from you. In a party, Alkaline, in a flexibility, Alkaline take away that from you, Tommy Lee. So you can't come on TV and style young lad. Go and build. And all the Gaza fan them where you fool you and things that you're bad. My youth, they know where. They in another league there. The Goalie Vendetta League are the biggest league in a dancehall. Me no care what the other people them want to say. Or who want to say what they want to say, them say. But me no give a fuck. MVP I run the bumbuckler dancehall. And that me care about. And that me give a fuck about. And if you no say MVP, if you no say Goalie, if you no say Vendetta, if you no say Patriots, I say fuck you. Get out of my channel. A Goalie Vendetta the thing there. And that I'm a pre. So Tommy Lee, you know how no fans. A Gaza fan, them you call your fans. And two, you go outside, you go to do some little shows. And you say, all the Vybz Kartel fan, them push up on your hand. And then push up them hands, so you think say you fan them that. My youth, hold on. Hold on, lean back. In another league there. It's a big league. Impact you have to left in a dancehall before you can challenge the Vendetta boss. Left an impact in a dancehall. So Tommy Lee, go and sleep. Go and build. Go and buy your baby some Pampers. Because in the big league. Every artist a cry and then want to be in the big league, No artist can be in the big league. People, the big league, you have to be in the MVP come to be part of the big league. You see me? It's a big league. It's a big league campaign. Some boy come and talk about World Cup. If you don't play big league, how can you reach World Cup? You have to pass through the leagues. And World Cup is every 4 years, and we don't want to sit down every 4 years before we do things. We want to play league every week. Champions League, Bundesliga, every other league we are playing at the Bumbuckler Dancehall Arena. So Tommy Lee, stop tell lies, isn't me? Alkaline have more fans, way more than you. Alkaline have beat you in every category in a dancehall. So stop tell lies on TV. Stop make Onstage TV trick you. Stop make Onstage TV fool your mind out. Go and build. Onstage TV, they might trick you. Even on stage, the interviewer try smile. He must smile, you know. So, me not take no much of your time, my people. Just subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tommy Lee is a big liar. Tommy Lee come on TV and I lie about him have more fans than Alkaline. Alkaline I live off people than fans. Tommy Lee, you should be ashamed of yourself. Just looking at your face and you know say you're desperate for your eat. You're desperate to come back into the street. You're desperate for the street cred. But you're not going to get it because you're not ready for that big league there. A big league thing. Big league is not just about you come one day and sing 2 hit songs and gone. No. The big league is forever singing hit songs. Forever. Forever singing bumbuckler hit songs. So all the Gaza flag of them where bad mind Gully Vendetta go suck on no mother. Go suck on no mama. A Gully Vendetta run dancehall music worldwide. Africa, Europe, America, Japan, Asia, Colombia. All of them place there. A Gully Vendetta run them place there. So some boy if you stop big fans. Stop big fans around here. You see me? Gaza fan them flap Massacre. Them flap Tommy Lee. Them flap Black Rhino. Them flap Ja Vinci. Them want flap Alkaline, them want flap Mavado, but it not work. Them even flap Popcorn. Them flap Virgin. Any artist where you rise and I try make a name, Gaza fan them a flap you. So if you want to be in the big league, run to the MVP movement right now and seek a appliance. Because you have to apply to be in the MVP. If you not apply, you're not going to be part of the MVP. Because you have to take rules when you're in the camp. And the rules are governed by the generals themselves. And the goalie, the bigger general, the veteran himself. And the vendetta, the young lad himself. So you have to know that. You have 2 generals in a dancer right now. Mavado are the veteran general. And Alkaline are the young lad. So if you don't like what me I just say, go suck on no mother. Big up on yourself, all of my subscribers, all of the Gully Side TV subscribers. Leave your comments and your thoughts. I just come and beat.